In real-world applications, inductance can vary with frequency, potentially altering your circuit's behavior. To properly analyze this, it's crucial to model and simulate this variation during the design phase. PSpice offers a straightforward method for modeling frequency-dependent inductors using the graphs provided in the manufacturer's datasheet. To demonstrate this, let's use a simple circuit for an AC analysis to plot the inductance variation with frequency. We'll utilize the component gfrec_file, which takes a CSV file as input. This file contains a table of the magnitude and phase of inductance at each frequency. For example, let's consider the datasheet of the inductor series 0805-PS from the Coilcraft website. There, you can find a graph that plots the inductance variation with frequency. Let's plot the variation of a 330 microhenry inductor in PSpice. To do this, we'll first create a CSV file with the first column listing all the frequencies. The second column lists the magnitude of inductance for each frequency, calculated using this formula. The third column lists the phase of the inductor, which is 90 degrees at each frequency. This CSV file is now ready to be used for the PSpice simulation. After saving the file, in the schematic, open the property editor of the component gfreak_file. In the property freak_file, specify the complete file location and name as its value. Close the property editor and set up simulation settings for AC analysis. Run the simulation and plot the inductance, which is given by voltage divided by current multiplied by omega.